Meet Educate.ai, the AI-powered learning platform built to accelerate data and AI skills and turn learning into real-world results. Jump into industry-simulated projects all in a browser-based sandbox, supported at all times one-to-one by real mentors and coaches. No setup. Just start. K.A.T.E is your AI coach, analyzing your code and giving precise, instant feedback in seconds on business and technical challenges. It's built into every technical challenge to help you learn, iterate, and level up. Move faster with unlimited revision loops. Some learners submit assignments over 100 times per project, evidencing powerful engagement. It's real-world practice, not passive learning. Trusted by thousands of learners. More than 1 million pieces of AI-powered feedback, tailored to each program's content and outcomes. Organizations gain real-time visibility into learner progress, outcomes, and ROI, accelerating data and AI capability at scale. By helping learners apply new skills faster, K.A.T.E helps leaders deliver impact where it matters most, on the job. Wherever you are in your data and AI journey, Educate.ai helps your people learn faster, solve real business problems, and deliver business impact that lasts.